Hello friends, welcome back to my channel FinStop, the one-stop destination for stock market and financial planning. Friends, today I am here to give you some important results of Federal Bank. The Federal Bank Limited is a major Indian private sector bank headquartered in Aluva, Kochi. It is pioneer in the banking sector in India by being the first bank to digitalize all the branches in the country. Friends, Federal Bank share price was struck in the range of 80 to 90 from the past 5 months, but from the last week of September, the stock has rallied from the level of 80 to 100 in expectation of good quarter 2 results. The most awaited quarter 2 results of Federal Bank were out. On October 22, 2021, the board meeting commenced at 11 am and it is concluded at 12:30 pm. As soon as the results released in the market, the stock price jumped from the levels of 95 to 103, giving almost 7% gain in a single day. Guys, in this video, let us see the numbers posted briefly. Before going further, I would request you to watch my playlist of multi-bagger stocks, stock market for beginners and mutual funds. Also, please follow us on Telegram channel. You can find important updates on daily basis. Also, please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description box. Please don't forget to hit the like button and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for all important notifications. Now let's come back to the topic. The Federal Bank standalone unaudited financial results for the quarter and the half year ended September 30th, 2021. All the values are in lakhs. Here you can see that the first column under the quarter ended is 30th September 2021. The second column is 30th June 2021 and the third column is 30th September 2020. That means last year's quarter. Now let us look at the numbers and compare it on quarterly basis and on yearly basis. Here you can see that the interest end for the September quarter is 337,925, whereas June quarter is 335,571, whereas last year quarter is 348,790. Interest end is obtained by adding the interest on advances or bills, income on investments, interest on balances with RBI and other interbank funds and others. This interest earned on quarter basis is 0.7% up, but on year basis it was decreased by 3.11%. Now let's see other income. It is 44,436 for September quarter, 55,178 for June quarter, 44,936 for last year's September quarter. Other income has reduced both on quarterly basis and on yearly basis. The total income comes to 382,361 for September quarter, 390,749 for June quarter, 393,726 for last year's September quarter. That means on quarter basis it is down by 2.14% and on year basis it is down by 2.88%. So guys, Federal Bank has to improve a lot on the revenue side. If you see the interest expended, 189,983 for September quarter, 193,728 for June quarter and 210,805 for the last year's September quarter. That means interest expenses were reduced both on quarterly basis and on yearly basis. If you see operating expenses, it is increased from 93,340 to 105,899 on quarterly basis and from 88 to 265 to 105,899 on yearly basis. Now the total expenditure is 295,882 for September quarter, 287,068 for June quarter, 299,070 for last year's September quarter. That means on quarter basis it is 3.07% up and on year basis it is 1.06% down. So guys, Federal Bank has to control its expenses to improve its income. Now let's see the operating profit, the income minus expenses. It has decreased from 103,681 to 86,479 on quarterly basis and it is decreased from 94,656 to 86,479 on yearly basis. Now let's see the provisions. Provisions for this September quarter is drastically decreased from 54,346 from June quarter to 24,533 and it is also decreased on yearly basis from 53,209 to 24,533. That means it is almost reduced by half. Generally, bank keeps the provisions for the loan amount which is likely to be defaulted in the next quarter. In the June quarter, due to the second wave of COVID pandemic, the provisions amount is very high. But in the present quarter, as the fear of COVID has been reduced, the provision amount has been drastically reduced to off. Now let's see the tax expense. 15,920 for September quarter, 12,606 for June quarter, and 10,685 for last year's September's quarter. Now let's see the net profit for the period by subtracting all the provisions and the tax expense. The profit has jumped by 25.3% on quarter-on-quarter basis, since profit increased from 36,729 in June quarter to 46,026 in September quarter. And profit has jumped 49.6% on year-on-year basis, since profit has increased from 30,762 to 46,026. Friends, the sharp increase in the profits are due to the drastic reduction of provisions. Still, Federal Bank has to do a lot better to improve its revenue. If you see its capital adequacy ratio, it is at 14.97%. It has been slightly improved on quarterly basis and yearly basis from 14.97 to 14.64. If we see its earnings per share, it has been improved from 1.84 to 2.22 on quarterly basis and 1.54 to 2.22 on yearly basis. If you see its NPA, the net NPA has been decreased from 159,324 to 150,244 on quarterly basis, but it has been increased from 121,814 to 150,244 on yearly basis. If you see its percentage of net NPA, it has been decreased by 8.9% on quarter-on-quarter basis, which is an excellent improvement, but it has increased by 13.13% on year-on-year basis. Friends, NPAs are nothing but the bad loans, so lesser the NPA, the better the asset quality. Federal Bank has decreased its NPA on quarterly basis, but it has to improve a lot on yearly basis. See its segment-wise revenue. The corporate banking has been decreased from 103,955 to 101,231, and it is also decreased on yearly basis from 126,747 to 101,231. If you see its retail banking revenue, it has been improved from 208,569 to 226,737 on quarterly basis. It is also improved on yearly basis from 206,429 to 226,737. Friends, this shows that Federal Bank is trying to move towards the retailers than the corporates. It is a very good sign for the bank, since big corporates will generally default their loans and they will turn into an NPA, whereas normal retailers will not generally default their loans. So the asset quality of the bank will improve if it tends towards the retail banking more. So guys, let us hope that Federal Bank tends more towards the retail banking and reduce its NPA in further quarters. This is all about quarter 2 results, guys. Now let us quickly see its chart. The stock is presently trading at 103.15 and its volumes have been hugely improved, and its RSI is 78.68 and it is in overbought zone. Since the profits has been improved and NPA has been reduced quarter on quarter basis, we can expect that the stock may rally up to the levels of 110 and 115. A small disclaimer, friends, the recommendations are only for educational purpose. Please do your own research and consult your financial advisor before taking any investment decision. If you like my explanation, please like, share, comment, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you, friends.